I grew up in Herefordshire, but I eventually came to Wales. I experienced the welcome, but as far as the singing, I didn't hear that until the night before Passchendaele Ridge. We went over the top at Passchendaele Ridge. That night, we was in a marquee, and the marquee was full, and it was there that I heard the singing, the Welshmen singing, and the tears, not only mine, but others that were barely 19 youngsters, the tears was coming down their cheeks. That was the effect of the singing the Welshmen were singing. I'll never forget it, never.
The night before Passchendaele, for safekeeping, the Welsh boys packed their hearts into a song. So when only 1 in 4 parts of their harmony returned and could not speak, the song still held their hearts.
As far as I can remember, we went in 850 strong, and as far as I can remember again, only 200 of us could answer the roll call. Wounded, killed, and missing. It's like if they were singing their heart out. And the next morning, the biggest part of those voices were silent for good. And that's what hit me. Talking to the blokes not many minutes before, as you might say, and they were gone.